everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix music failed to play tracks error on Infinix Smart 10 Plus or Smart 10 HD. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on music and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. Click on this reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.